Good morning, and welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. So, today, got a lot to do, got some jobs to go hit, all that good stuff. So, for the meantime, until it gets a little light out, my lights are flickering. That's weird. Look at that. You probably can't tell as well as I can. My lights are flickering. I don't know why. I'm going to start this morning out with a little short clip video. We're going to run around the yard. I need to start some shit up and let it run. Some things that I have around here just don't get ran all the time. So we're going to go around and do a cold start video on pretty much everything I have here that I have worked on recently, including the Lumina and the van. But I want to jump a few things off, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready, and then let's go out here and run some things and get them warmed up for the day. Alright, first cold start of the day is going to be the heat. Not the heat, but the mud slug. There's a lot of them. Thing's running, getting warmed up, and about to fire up the red tracker. Alright. Let's fire up the red tracker, and then we're going to use the jump cables and this battery to fire up the tractor. Sit there and idle real low. And it might shut off because of how cold it is, but usually fires right back up. Good running engine. Real good running engine. This one's been a good one too. I mean, I've had like maybe one problem out of it since I bought it, but it was a $50 engine, man, I tell you what. Little sucker's been good, but like I said, it'd probably shut off. turn the damn fuel on. Dumbass. Wouldn't you know, I haven't had a fuel shut off on it in so long, I actually forgot that I put one on there. Not fully awake yet. But as you see, it runs good. I forget what this is. This is the 18 horse. I gotta do a little research. So we're gonna go ahead and jump off the dragster. So let's get that thing fired up. Alright. Let's switch our stuff on. Kick it over, see what it does. What I dealt with it before, I didn't even have to choke that thing. It's not running really good at all. Y'all remember, well, the originals on my channel remember, but anybody that's new, I fought this engine forever. It's one of my hardest. Really good now. Really good. Happy with that. Going to check the fluids in the van real quick because I've got to take it to work today. Just got my tags, just got my registration switched down here to my new county that I'm living in. So all I need to do is get a rag. I need a rag, towel, rag, something. I'll just go get one from the shop. Nice day out here today. Need to get that damn thing running. Need to get that running too. Need to get that running too. Need to get that running too. I got a lot of shit to do. A lot of shit. And a one-man team is takes a minute. Especially when I've been having problems with my back too. But might need to straighten the van up a little bit before I go today. It's looking a little messy. Let's check some fluids here. Power steering is low. And it freezes. Shit. full. I used to have such a problem with this van overheating that now that it doesn't, and it just keeps the antifreeze and no air gets in the lines, it's almost hard for me to believe. Oh yeah, it's nice and full. One thing I like about my brake fluid is it's clear. I can just kind of tap the bottle and shows me what level it's at. Everything's looking pretty good. Let's pull the oil dipstick and make sure we got enough oil in this unit. Yes. And transmission fluid I need to check while it's running and at temperature. So I think I'm probably about to get ready to fire this thing up. And I will warn you, it does not sound like a minivan. Let's cut fans on. Now that this thing's warmed up, I'm going to get the tractor and go jump off the Lumina. Hold on just a second. What y'all doing up there? Horsing around and shit. I don't think they like the sound of my van too much. But alright, let's get up here and get the red tractor and go get the Lumina started, because I'm going to have to move it back down here. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Alright, so it's like an hour later. I'm having to jump this thing off because it is not wanting to start. I tried to jump it off with the red tractor first, wouldn't start. Tried to jump it off with the lawnmower second, wouldn't start. So now I got the van up here. And as you see, there's the motor I already built. 3.1 V6. Looks good. It just still has a slight problem with it. I gotta figure out what it is before I get it on the road. But I just got it legal again today, so I can start figuring out what the hell it is. But other than that, it's a good car. Damn good car. The interior. It's in really good shape. Got a touchscreen CB in it. It's got 156,056 miles on it. Driver's seats. Now there's a few things that's been done to this car. Like that's not the original steering wheel, not the original center console, not the original radio, not the original trim piece around the dash there. But everything else is original about the car. And it's clean. It's real clean. I also put these 17s on it. Bumper trim was fading here, so I painted it black. It's got CB radio, roof rack. Good car. Very good car. Just need to get it back on the road. So I'm gonna let this thing sit here and charge for a few more minutes, and then we're gonna try to see if we can start her up and move down to the yard. Alright, about to try this. Give her a little more juice. White smoking out of the tailpipe. I'm trying to tell if that's oil or coolant. Might be water. And I didn't put coolant in this car, I put water in it for now. Otherwise, it's running pretty good. Got a low coolant light on. Got an oil light. Airbag light's on because of I removed the airbag and guts out of this. So I don't care about that. Seatbelt light's on because seatbelt's not plugged in. The brake light's on because I got the emergency brake on. But okay, I was about to say it wasn't turning on. Yep. Old car. Love this old thing. Let's good God. Look at that nasty shit. Alright, let's move her down. Brake just locked up. Park it here right next to the Dodge van. Low coolant and oil light still on. but other than that, it running pretty good. So I guess I'm gonna call this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little quick video of all my cold starts on all my stuff out here. I'm actually going to let this thing run for a few more minutes, and I'm probably about to get ready to head on to work. I got a painting job I got to go do, and I'll probably come back here later on this evening and edit this video and possibly get in there and work on the beast a little more. Get some more things tied up on it and start getting that video tied up and put online, because it's taking a while. Sorry about the delay, but you know, things just have come up. But I'm gonna get that out there as soon as I can to y'all, so y'all can see what's going on with it. And until then, go check out the Facebook, the damn what the hell I got? Hell, I forgot. Facebook, Instagram, and the Snapchat. And yeah. Till then, I will see you guys on the next episode.